Morning, dear students. Today we are discuss the next chapter is method of calculating national income. Dear students, in this chapter we are discuss the three method of calculating of national income. So under this chapter, in India, who's the measures national income? So dear students, we know that Central Statistical Organization CSO measures national income in India with the help of three methods: income method, value added or product method, and next one is expenditure method. So dear students, first of all we discuss income method. What is income method? Guys, the sum of factor income and accounting year and domestic territory is called cash income according to income method. Clear? And domestic territory and accounting year, the sum of factor income is called national income according to income method. Clear? Next one we are discuss income generate in three sector. First, household sector, next production sector, next government sector. Dear students, we are discuss the classification of factor income. So factor income classified in three parts. First, compensation of employees, next operating surplus, next mixed income. Dear students, first of all we discuss compensation of employees. One of the question is compensation of employees is given, that's good. Otherwise we include the compensation of income is wage and salary, cash and kind, contribution social security scheme by employer, not employee, employer, plus a retirement pension. Next one, operating surplus. The sum of rent, interest, profit, royalty is called operating surplus. The sum time in the place of profit is given dividend, corporation tax or corporation saving. Corporation saving is also called undistributed profit or retained earning. Mixed income, that is also called self-employed income. The sum of all factor income will be equal to domestic income like NDPA type C. If we find out national income, the sum of domestic income or NFIA, net factor income from abroad, will be equal to national income. Clear beta? Once again, now we will discuss the chapter is method of calculating national income. So dear students, in India the central authority is calculate national income with the help of three method: income method, value added or product method, and next one is expenditure method. So dear students, first of all we will discuss income method. According to this method, national income is the sum of factor income and accounting year in domestic territory, or in domestic territory and accounting year the sum of factor income is called national income. Generally factor income generate in three sector: household sector, production sector or general government sector. Classification of factor income. So factor income classified in three part. First one is compensation of employees, operating surplus or mixed income. Compensation of employees include wage and salary, cash plus time, plus contribution social security scheme by employer. Next one, retirement pension. Operating surplus include rent, interest, profit, royalty. Profit have a three part. First one, dividend. Next, corporation tax. It is also called tax on profit. Next, corporation saving. It is also called retained earning or undistributed profit. Next, royalty. Next, mixed income. It is also called self-employed income. Under these income, rent, interest, property, royalty, everyone is mixed. So we don't know how is the contribution in profit, rent, interest, or profit in this income. So all the factor income sum will be equal to domestic income. That means domestic income. It is also called NDP at FC. And NDP at FC is the sum of compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. We will find out national income. So it is the sum of domestic income or net factor income from abroad like NFIA. Clear? And the last is precaution of income method. So we have a lot of precautions of income method. The first one, transfer income do not include in national income. Illegal activities income do not include in national income. Commission paid on second-hand goods include in national income. Second-hand goods sales purchase income do not include in national income. Brokerage on sales and purchase of shares and bonds include in national income. Shares and debenture sales purchase income do not include in national income because it is only financial claim. Windfall gain do not include in national income. Imputed rent include in national income. Tax do not include in national income. Self-consumption goods include in national income. Self-consumption services do not include in national income. Clear? That's your precautions. That's your income method. Clear, beta? Now we will discuss the numerical portion of income method. How we will solve numerical with the help of income method. See, beta. By income method, NDP at FC, it is also called domestic income. Sum of compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. And national income, it is a sum of national income like NNP at FC. It is a sum of NDP at FC plus NFIA. So dear students, that's formula. Now compensation of employees, under these include wage and salary, cash and kind, employees contribution to social security scheme, retirement pension. In operating surplus, we are include profit, interest, rent, interest, profit, royalty. Profit have three parts: dividend, corporation profit tax, or undistributed profit या corporation saving. Mixed income, the income mixture of wage, rent, interest and profit, that is called mixed income. So domestic income NDP at FC equal to compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. National income, it is also called NNP at FC. It is a sum of NDP at FC plus NFIA. Clear beta? So we are discuss here is national income. See guys, first of all the question is given compensation of employees like 5,000, operating surplus 2,000, mixed income 3,000, NFIA 1,000. Find national income. Find national income. So the formula of national income means NNP at FC NDP at FC plus NFIA. So dear students, first of all we will find out NDP at FC. The formula compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. So in the question is compensation of employees given is 5,000, operating surplus 2,000, mixed income 3,000. Clear? So NDP at FC is equal to, that's 10,000. Clear? Now we are discuss national income. So NDP at FC, that's 10,000 plus NFIA, that's given is 1,000. So that's your 11,000 national income, means NNP at FC. National income is 11,000. Clear? That's your simple question. See the next question. And the question is given first wage and salary 2,000. Contribution in social security scheme by employer 1,000. Retirement pension 500. Rent 200. Interest 300. Profit 400. Royalty 100. Mixed income 200. Factor income from abroad 200. Factor income to abroad 100. Depreciation 50 rupees. Net indirect tax 20 rupees. Find national income or GDP at MP. So dear students, we know that with the help of income method we will find out first of all NDP at FC. We know that the formula of NDP at FC, compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. So in compensation of employees we are include wage, contribution, social security scheme or retirement pension. So that's your 2,000 plus 1,000 plus 500. That's your compensation of employees plus operating surplus, rent, interest, profit or royalty. rent, interest, profit, royalty, that is the part of operating surplus. 200 plus 300 plus profit 400 plus royalty 100 plus mixed income 200. That's your NDP at FC. 3,500 plus 2, 3, 5, 4, 9, 10, 1,000 plus 200. So that's your 314, 4,700. NDP at FC. After that we will find out national income, means NNP at FC. It is a sum of NDP at FC plus NFIA. So NDP at FC 4,700 plus NFIA, it is the difference between factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad, from minus 2, 200 minus 100. So that's your 4,700 plus 100, 4,800 national income, means NNP at FC. Clear? Now we will find out GDP at MP. GDP at MP. So the formula NNP at FC, net convert in gross plus depreciation, national convert in domestic minus NFIA, factor convert in market price plus net indirect tax. So NFIA, national income, that's your 4,800 plus depreciation 50 rupees minus NFIA from minus 200 rupees plus net indirect tax 20 rupees. So that's your 4,870 rupees minus 100. That's your 4,770 rupees. GDP at MP. Answer. Clear beta? Compensation of employees given 2,000, rent 500, interest 200, dividend 50 rupees, corporation tax 150, corporation saving 10 rupees, royalty 150, mixed income it is also called self-employed income 400, depreciation 10 rupees, NFIA 20 rupees, net indirect tax 30 rupees. Find national income and GDP at MP. So dear students, first of all, with the help of these, by income method we will find out net domestic product at factor cost. Formula: compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. Compensation of employees, it is also given 2000 rupees, plus operating surplus, it is a part of rent, interest or profit, royalty. Rent 500, interest 200, profit is not given, so we have a three part of profit. Dividend 50 rupees, corporation tax 150, corporation saving 10 rupees, plus royalty 150. All is operating surplus plus mixed income 400. So it will be 2000 plus 5 to 7 8 9 10 1060 plus 400. 5 7 7 10 10 so that's your 2000 plus 1000 3460 3460. NDP at FC. Now we will find out national income. NNP at FC, it is called national income, and it is the sum of NDP at FC or NFIA. So NDP at FC 3460 plus NFIA, that's given 20. So 3460 plus 20, it will be equal to 3480 national income. Now we will find out GDP at MP. So in the question, first of all, we will find out NDP at FC, net convert in gross plus depreciation, domestic also domestic, factor price convert in market price, so plus net indirect tax. NDP at FC 3460 plus depreciation 10 rupees, net indirect tax 30 rupees. So 30 10 40 60 100 3500 GDP at MP. That's answer. So you can solve out all these questions with the help of income method. Clear beta? I will send some questions to you and you will solve out all the questions with the help of income method. And if you have any doubt, then you can call me and you can take all doubts without any hesitation. Clear beta? Thank you very much.